welcome to Revshaala, the Revfin workshop, a place where revolution happens day and night. The objective of Revshaala is to do the refurbishment of electric vehicles, be it electrical or mechanical faults, and to redeploy these vehicles back onto the roads to enhance the life of the electric vehicles. This is the vehicle inspection area, where we do the complete inspection of the vehicle as per the standards of the product. Once the inspection of the vehicle is over, then it is moved to the refurbishment area, where we correct or refurbish all the defects identified at the previous stage. This stage ends with the final inspection of the vehicle. Now the vehicle is moved to the finished area and it's ready for redeployment.
The purpose of Revshaala is basically to repair, to refurbish vehicles and to extend their life and to extract further value of vehicles that otherwise would have probably gone to scrap. And obviously there'll be vehicles that will be financing, that will be leasing, that will keep coming back to us at different stages. Some during the life of the financial instrument or the lease, and some that will come at the end of it. I think the real value comes when the vehicle comes back at the end of the term, and then we are able to extend its life. Then that's when we'll be able to really capitalize on what we are building here today. So this can be a really huge center, just this one, but obviously in future, who knows what else we might build. But the idea is that this should clearly start becoming our biggest differentiator in future and something that helps us extract a lot of value.